Welcome to Stay Smart Adventures, and this is Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge at Walt Disney World in Florida. This hotel opened in 2001 and is located right next door to Disney's Animal Kingdom theme park. This resort goes beyond excellent theming that many Disney hotels are known for. You are immersed into the heart of Africa as soon as you step into the breathtaking grand lobby. Throughout the hotel, you have so much to see, including the largest collection of African art outside of Africa. On property, there are over 30 species of African wildlife roaming 4 lush savannas. There are multiple viewing areas to sit, relax, and take it all in. Hotel activities are plentiful, and my son and I found ourselves not wanting to leave the resort just to try and do everything that was offered. In terms of dining, GQ is arguably one of the best sit-down restaurants you'll ever experience, and Boma is my personal favorite when it comes to buffet options at Walt Disney World. This room is a deluxe DVC Studio Value Villa. Views on these value rooms may include landscaping or the parking area. DVC stands for Disney Vacation Club, which is Disney's vacation ownership timeshare program. Anyone can book a DVC villa subject to availability, but if you own DVC, this room is an incredible value for the points if you can get one. Here you have a kitchenette, fully stocked. You have your bathroom area. A lock-off toilet and shower. This room sleeps up to 4 and features 1 queen bed and 1 double-sized sleeper sofa. On a previous trip we had stayed in a savannah room, and the views are incredible, especially to wake up, have a cup of coffee, and watch the animals. But this time we truly enjoyed all of the amenities the resort had to offer that the room view really had no impact on our experience. Coming down from the room, be sure to make your way to the Uzima Spring Pool. The pool is tropical and beautiful. It has a 0-depth entry for the little ones and a 67-foot-long water slide. At the pool, there's a full bar with refreshments and snacks. This resort has so much to offer, and you can spend so much of your time just exploring. The only mode of transportation to the parks is by bus, which may be the only drawback of this property, but it more than makes up for it with one of the most inviting and immersive experiences to be had while staying on a vacation. I am rating this hotel a must-go. It is one of our favorite places to stay, and I highly recommend you experience it. I hope you enjoyed this hotel tour. Please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.